Want to master English tenses and speak more fluently? In this video, we'll practice 40 yes no questions in the past continuous tense with short, clear answers. These are great for everyday conversation and grammar practice. Let's get started. Structure of yes no questions in past continuous tense: was or were plus subject plus ing form of the verb plus object. What is a yes no question in past continuous? A yes no question in the past continuous tense is used to ask whether an action was happening at a specific time in the past. The answer is usually yes or no. Use was or were based on the subject. With I, he, she, it, use helping verb was, and with you, we, they, use helping verb were. Use the ing form of the main verb. The main verb should always be in the present participle form. For example, play, playing, eat, eating, write, writing. 40 yes no questions with answers. Past continuous tense. Was she reading a book?
Yes, she was. No, she was not.
Were they playing football?
Yes, they were. No, they were not.
Was he cooking dinner?
Yes, he was. No, he was not.
Were you studying last night?
Yes, I was. No, I was not.
Was it raining in the morning?
Yes, it was. No, it was not.
Were we making noise?
Yes, we were. No, we were not.
Was the baby sleeping?
Yes, the baby was. No, the baby was not.
Were the kids watching TV?
Yes, they were. No, they were not.
Was your brother playing guitar?
Yes, he was. No, he was not.
Were the birds singing?
Yes, they were. No, they were not.
Was she listening to music?
Yes, she was. No, she was not.
Were you waiting for me?
Yes, I was. No, I was not.
Was your mom cleaning the kitchen?
Yes, she was. No, she was not.
Were they running in the park?
Yes, they were. No, they were not.
Was I disturbing you?
Yes, you were. No, you were not.
Were you driving to work?
Yes, I was. No, I was not.
Was the teacher talking to John?
Yes, she was. No, she was not.
Were we waiting for the bus?
Yes, we were. No, we were not.
Was the sun shining?
Yes, it was. No, it was not.
Were the students studying?
Yes, they were. No, they were not.
Was your dad watching the news?
Yes, he was. No, he was not.
Were you cleaning the room?
Yes, I was. No, I was not.
Was she crying?
Yes, she was. No, she was not.
Were they laughing at the joke?
Yes, they were. No, they were not.
Was the train moving slowly?
Yes, it was. No, it was not.
Were you feeling okay?
Yes, I was. No, I was not.
Was he playing video games?
Yes, he was. No, he was not.
Were they eating lunch together?
Yes, they were. No, they were not.
Was the wind blowing hard?
Yes, it was. No, it was not.
Were you using my phone?
Yes, I was. No, I was not.
Was your sister painting?
Yes, she was. No, she was not.
Were the workers fixing the road?
Yes, they were. No, they were not.
Was your cat sleeping on the couch?
Yes, it was. No, it was not.
Were we walking too fast?
Yes, we were. No, we were not.
Was he working from home?
Yes, he was. No, he was not.
Were the girls dancing at the party?
Yes, they were. No, they were not.
Was I making too much noise?
Yes, you were. No, you were not.
Were you watching the match?
Yes, I was. No, I was not.
Was the phone ringing?
Yes, it was. No, it was not.
Were they planning the trip?
Yes, they were. No, they were not.
Great job. You have just practiced 40 common yes no questions in the past continuous tense. Keep reviewing and repeating these to build confidence in real conversations. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more daily grammar and speaking practice videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.